Hey, what's up? Right here I got a pair of 1964 Impala door handles. I'm going to send them off to get chrome plated. But before I send them off to get chrome plated, I got to take apart the inside spring and this little plate right here that keeps it functioning. So let me show you how to take it apart. I was looking on YouTube and I couldn't find any tutorials how to take it apart. So you're going to set this right here. Gonna press down on this plate with the screwdriver. You can turn it around and it pops right out. The spring as well. And that way you just have this whole piece right here. Send it off to get chrome plated. These two pieces. And putting it back together is pretty simple too. Put this piece back in, put the spring, you get the plate. What you do is you put the plate down, and then you just turn it. And then you got it working again. Alright guys, thanks for watching.